Blockchain wallet is a cryptocurrency storing wallet where you guys can store your crypto, NFTs, and anything related with crypto and digital currency. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can log in into a blockchain wallet. But before that, you need to download blockchain wallet, and it's pretty simple. You can go to your Play Store or App Store and download it. Once you download it, there's going to be an open button, and from over here, there's a chance of it being hacked, stolen, or anything. And this video is just for educational purpose. We do not promote blockchain wallet. So any fraud or anything that happened to your crypto or your money in blockchain wallet, we are not responsible for it. You guys are yourself. Alright, so this is just for educational purpose. Now with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Once you download blockchain wallet, just click on open. Once you click on open, it's gonna open up just like this. If you don't have a wallet, you can click on create a wallet. But we already have a wallet, so we're just gonna click on login. After you click on login, you gotta enter your email address over here, which I'm gonna do right now. In your email address, you wanna click and continue. And on the next step, it's gonna ask you to verify your email. So I'm gonna go to my email to verify my account over here. Once you verify yourself on your email, it's gonna take you on the next step where it's gonna ask you for the password of your account. And just make sure to verify yourself. After you do that, where it says passport, enter your passport and click on continue. And basically, if the password and the email you entered here is correct, you should be able to log in into your blockchain wallet account just like this.